On May 14th, 2026, a large and destructive wildfire would affect portions of southwest Kansas, particularly near the Meade Lake State Park area. This fire was started due to a dry thunderstorm and quickly spread out of control due to the fast winds and high heat. This fire grew to a staggering 45,000 acres in size. This video will show me and my grandma's descent into the burn scar. I'm just gonna video this whole thing. Gotta be a documentary. I'm just kidding. Look at that big old smoke over there.
That back over here?
Yeah. Looks like a couple up here. Wow, dude. Very large wildfire. Multiple smoke plumes. Oh wow, that's a good view.
Wow.
We are safe. We're doing this on a highway, which we know the fire's already burned over. It's so hard to fight these fires because they're like in difficult terrain too. We're on the home front now. Just gotta make it up north of K23 and then we're good to go west. First responder. There's just multiple flare-ups everywhere. Oh wow, look at that back there again. Flaring up still. Very large. We'll be driving through the burn scar here momentarily. Man, it's not good at all. Oof. Some bad mamma jamma. What? Smoke. Wow. That's what it looks like behind us. Fire. There's like so many fires. Today might be another bad day for wildfire weather, so if you are out here in southwest Kansas, Oklahoma Panhandle, Texas Panhandle, be on high alert. We have pretty high chances for dry thunderstorms today, which could ignite some big wildfires due to lightning. And that, in fact, that's what caused all these fires out here is lightning. I don't think this event is quite as large as the February event, but it's definitely up there because there's numerous fires. I saw a post about some ash tornadoes, which we actually could see soon. Yep, I see a little bit of the scar in front of us. They might have us turn around. If so, that's fine, but don't know where we would go. Wow. Look at all that in front of us, guys. Still looks really large, doesn't it? It still looks really large, doesn't it? Looks like it kind of intensified a little bit, maybe. Actually, I think that's exactly what happened. You know, it's blowing away from us, right? You know that?
Oh, it is?
Yeah. So if we want to stop up here and get a video, we can. What? What?
If we want to stop.
Yeah.
Do we want to stop?
Maybe up here a little ways. There's got to be some areas to stop up near, like Meade State Park, probably. Wow, look at that over there. Nuts. Nuts fire. Wow. Huge smoke plume. This fire is still very, very active, folks. And over there, that's active over there too. Wow, dude. I'm so glad we ditched Wakita for this. What? Am I weird?
I switched on you.
It's fine. This turns up here, right?
I don't know.
Looks like it. Wow. We are aimed towards the main fire. Hot dang. Look at all that burnt land over there, Grandma.
Yeah, wow.
Wow. Insane burn scar. This is probably one of the largest fires I've ever seen. Ash tornadoes. That'd be cool to see, right? In fact, I think I see one.
I think.
What?
It'd be cool to see one.
I think I see one. Over there a ways, though. Now look, ash tornado. Look at that huge one.
I see it.
Wow, big ash tornado. That is so cool. Huge ash tornado. It's still burning in so many areas. It's actually crazy. You okay?
I'm great.
You know what you're doing?
Yeah,
Okay.
I'm driving.
Well, we're not. It's not like we're gonna drive into the fire. So that active over there looks like that's burning really well. Whatever that is. The freaking ash tornadoes are so cool. Wow, look at all this burnt land, dude. We're getting up towards Meade State Park, aren't we?
Uh-huh.
Look at all that burnt land, dude. All this burnt over here. This is fresh. Yeah, look at these, like, sand dunes, it almost looks like. Wow. Something burning right over there. Right in the park. Right, that's the park, right?
Yep.
Wow. Insane. It looks like the park got missed for the most part. Wow. We should see if we can't stop up around here. Hey, look at those trees, man. Unreal damage. Burn scar damage. Oh, wow. Oh my goodness, folks. Find a spot to pull over, take it, make sure it's not far. Make sure it's far away from any, like, flare-ups.
I don't think we need to stop.
You don't think so?
Yeah. I think you're getting good shots.
I think so too.
Whoa.
What?
What was that?
Probably that guy's engine. Dude, this has to be at least, like, 10,000 acres. This is one of the largest wildfires I've ever seen up close.
Those cattle out there.
Poor cattle.
Yeah, really.
Well, that house got hit. Or that